Hello viewers, welcome to Economics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a recent initiative taken by global countries in respect of mineral partnership and why India has joined. What is the significance behind this membership? All these are the things which we are going to discuss in a short and informative video. So first thing, let us understand the context here is recently India joined as a member into one international collaboration in terms of mineral and their exploration, that is Mineral Security Finance Network. So what is this particular Mineral Security Finance Network and who have actually launched this and who are all the member countries and what is its significance for India and what are all other related initiatives also we'll understand in a while. So first thing, let us understand what is this initiative. So it was actually launched by another initiative called Mineral Security Network or Mineral Security Partnership. So this was an initiative of USA launched in the year 2022. But what is the main aim? To increase the global collaboration or cooperation between member countries. So to have smooth or you can say easy transition in exploration of mineral resources, especially critical minerals. So to explore critical minerals in a easy way and in a smooth way, this particular initiative was launched. Then how many member countries are part of this initiative? We have 13 member countries including European Commission. So what are all the 13 countries? You have the list here, right? We can see the list here. That is USA, Australia, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, India, right? It joined recently, yesterday itself, Italy, Japan. And then we have Republic of Korea, which we call it as South Korea, and Canada, Norway, Sweden, UK and European Union. So these are the countries. Then let us understand what is its significance for India. Why this particular initiative is going to benefit India and how it is going to benefit. So first thing is we can diversify our needs. So as we have this partnership with 13 countries, we can get better supply chain in terms of mineral resources. Then that means in the recent times, if you have seen, as we are more moving towards a greener energy or greener economy, we are increasing the reliance or we are exploring the more critical minerals or rare earth elements like lithium, cobalt, nickel, which are very much important in EVs, solar panels and etc. right? So for that reason, as we don't have so many rare earth metals or critical minerals in India itself, we need to diversify our basket with respect to mineral exploration, and that is the platform which can help us, right? So like for example, if you see in Indian case, we generally have lithium imported from ABC countries, ABC triangle we call, this is the lithium rich or high producing countries from South America, you call Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. These are the three countries which are leading producers of lithium. But we know in the recent times we found adequate lithium resources in the Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir Union territories. Then it also reduces our dependence on China, because most of the energy demands that India now had is getting fulfilled from China. Almost 60% of our critical mineral supply is from China. So this also can decrease. Then it helps in clean energy transition, right? And this also increases collaborations and networks, especially in mineral explorations. So these are the main benefits of India being a member of this initiative. Then let us understand the main initiative which actually has launched this particular initiative, that is Mineral Security Partnership. This has in turn launched Mineral Security Finance Network, in which India has joined. So then when this was launched, it was launched in the year 2022 and it was launched by USA. So again, to strengthen supply chain with respect to critical minerals. So how many critical minerals are there in India so far? So we have identified 85 critical minerals in India, and critical minerals, for example, cobalt, nickel, lithium, etc. right? So you can write at least 5 or 10 and keep as a reserve, because in the future in mains questions also they can ask you to list out what are all the rare earth elements or what are all the critical minerals. So why these are very much, or why they are named as critical minerals? any mineral which is very important or critical for economic growth and viability, that we call it as a critical mineral. That means without them we cannot move forward in terms of economy or energy transition. So that is why, because of their importance, they are considered to be very critical. Then India also joined this particular initiative in the year 2023. This was launched in 22 and India has joined in the year 2023. Then let us understand why this Mineral Security Partnership Initiative is important for India. As I just told you, it helps in getting exploration of critical minerals, because like in India we have untapped potential. Only 10 to 20% of critical minerals in India were actually explored so far. That means we have still untapped potential of these critical minerals, but till then we cannot have so much of time in exploration or mining and all. So present we want the needs of like electric panels, or you can say like EV batteries, solar panels to be fulfilled. So for that reason we are using this as a platform to diversify our import basket. In the same time, we also need to understand it helps in increasing green energy generation or clean energy generation. This is another important reason why we generally follow this particular initiative. Apart from this, we also have to understand there are initiatives like cobalt. So this is one of the initiatives by Government of India, mainly launched to explore the critical minerals. And then let us see the practice question given yesterday. With reference to rhinoceros, consider the following statements. Black rhinos are the second largest land mammal after the elephant. No, it is not the black, it is white rhinos. Then all Javan rhinos in the world survive in this particular national park. Yes, this is correct because this is situated in the country of Indonesia and it is correct. Then greater one-horn rhino habitat spread over India and Nepal. So you already have seen yesterday also I told you 5 countries have this greater one-horn rhino and they have launched New Delhi Declaration and all we have seen. So but here they didn't say only. If the term is saying only, then this statement becomes wrong, as this generally mentioned that they are spread over India and Nepal, where these 2 countries also hold significant population of greater one-horn rhino. This statement appears to be correct, right? So answer here is 2 and 3, only first statement is wrong. Then let us see the practice question for the day. Consider the following statements regarding Mineral Security Partnership. It is an initiative to bolster critical minerals supply chains. It is an alliance of all European countries and United States of America. So among this, which you feel the correct one, try to put your answer in the comment section. Then as we have reached end of the video, today we have discussed about a recent initiative or international platform in which India has joined as a member. We also have seen what is the backdrop of this particular initiative and why it is so much important for India to join, along with practice questions. If you like the video and found informative, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. See you again.